Hi, welcome to the Elai tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to delete your Elai account. Let's get started. So you've decided to delete your account. We hope that your experience with Elai was satisfactory. Before we proceed to the guide, please make sure that you definitely want to delete the account. Also, please note that all the data will be permanently removed after account deletion, and we won't be able to restore it. So if you're sure that you want to delete it, click on your name in the top right corner and proceed to Workspace Settings. Scroll down the page until you see a red Delete Workspace button, and that's it. Note that by hitting this button, you will remove this team and all resources associated with this workspace permanently. We hope that you enjoyed your journey with Elai. We're always happy to see you again with us. Please feel free to contact us if you need any assistance or help.